Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're back here with the BMW X6 once again, doing the whole paint correction, paint decontamination, ceramic coating, that sort of thing, wheel coating over there. This video is going to be about the paint correction specifically, and the last video, which I urge you to take a look at, is about the paint decontamination and washing process. Basically, in that video, we prepped the paint in preparation for this video. And then the ceramic coating after that. This car is brand new, like I said in the last video. She picked it up straight from the dealership, drove it straight here. At that time we took a look at the paint and see how bad it was, how scratched up it was, and there were still slight swirls and scratches on the car. That's probably from shipping the car from the manufacturer to the dealership. It's probably from the dealership handling it, washing it improperly, and then just general driving from the dealership around the dealership or from the dealership to here. It just introduced a little bit of swirls, a little bit of scratching. We recommended doing a single stage paint correction on it, which is what we're going to be doing today. Basically that's going to remove most of the swirling, probably 80 to 90% of the scratches, because there's not really heavy scratches in this car. So it should come out really good. Without further ado, I'm going to jump straight into showing you the paintwork, showing you the swirls on it, and then into the products I'm going to be using, and then the process that goes along with that. So stay tuned. Let's go. Alright guys, so you can see all of these kind of swirls like all in here right around the light. All of those are scratches, believe it or not. Alright, for the products I'm using, microfiber towel for wiping off the polish. Sonax Perfect Finish. This stuff is really good for a single stage or a finishing polish in a two-step process as well. Rupes Yellow Foam Pad, perfect for finishing. Rupes LHR 15 dual action polisher. And you probably guessed it, my favorite product, Gyeon Prep. So we're going to start by wiping the area down with Prep. Just spray it liberally. And what this does is it just kind of wipes down and gets rid of any oils or leftover soap, water spots, literally anything that could have accumulated after the wash process from just sitting here. Maybe a little bit of dust, that sort of thing. Pad is on the polisher. Shake up the polish. And then I do 4 lines, just like that. Since it's a new pad, I want it kind of primed. So what I'm going to do is just put it on the paint, kind of rub it in. Get it all worked in. So now you can kind of see it's more spread out. And we're going to work in sections about 6 times the size of your pad. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you can tell, I'm staying below this body line, and then there's a curve in the panel here. I'm kind of staying above that too. It just helps to break up the panel by section, and then it makes polishing a little bit easier. I already did a test spot for this car, which means I did a little portion of polishing to see if this combination of polish pad and polisher speed is going to work to remove the scratches. So what worked best for me was about 3.5 speed, and obviously this combination. So I'm just going to warm the pad up for about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to go in and polish. So one of the things I did when I was doing my test spot as well is I did a I figured how many passes I needed. I know I needed about 3 or 4 passes. So in this one, I did about 4 passes. I went once this way to kind of spread it in. Then I went twice, 3 times, and then finished with a fourth pass. So now we take our microfiber towel and wipe off the polish. And spray it down with a little Gyeon Prep to wipe any of the polish residue. And voila! Look at that. Amazing. Let's bring you guys inside and see what I'm talking about. So there you see the light. It looks good. And right to the portion that I did not polish. Now, do you see all the swirls? No swirls. Swirls? No swirls. And that's about it. That was the paint correction process. It was only a single stage, which means I only used one polish, one pad. I didn't go in with a compound. I didn't go in with a microfiber cutting pad or anything more aggressive. So there you have it. It's all polished in that section. Basically, I'm just going to go around the whole car, do the rest of it. I'll probably get a 3-inch polisher to go into this section here, the mirrors, and really just get all the scratches I can get off, and then go into the ceramic coating. That will be the next video, so stay tuned, like this video, and subscribe. Put a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions or want to see anything specific on my YouTube channel. Until then, I am signing off, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.